Hello and welcome. This is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. Welcome. We are happy you are here. Today is another Make It in a Minute Monday. We got a super quick, easy project that you guys can do. We're going to be doing a treat bag, and you really can pound these out. If you have any kids that are going back to school, you can make some of these out to hand out to the kids, to the teachers, what have you. We have the mosaic gusseted cellophane bags. Cellophane bags. We're going to be using one of those. We're going to be using this stamp set here, Celebration Tidings. It comes as a bundle. You get the stamp set, which is the photopolymer, and you get the dies all together with the 10% off, and it is in our mini catalog. Wonderful stamp set. We're going to be using the Just For You and then this little flower topper right here. Okay. And we're also going to be using the Plaid Tidings Designer Series paper. Lots of fun colors in here. You got all kinds of holidays you can use this paper for. All right, so to get started, we're going to be using a sheet of paper that I love this one. For some reason, this is my favorite. I think I used that on a project a couple weeks ago. So we're going to need a piece of that. We're going to need a piece of Melon Mango and the Designer Series paper, and I went ahead already and cut one, the smallest one out in the Berry Vanilla. You are going to be using the third from the largest, which is this one. This one's going to go on the Mango Melody, and then the fourth from the largest, it's going to use this one, and then of course the littlest one is right here that we're going to use. Now this is brand new. Starting September 1st, customers can order this wonderful new Stamp and Cut and Emboss machine. It comes with plate number 1, which is the base, plate number 2, which is a little shim, and 2 of plate number 3s. Since we're die cutting, we'll need that sandwich, and then we're going to take and layer the second plate number 3 on top. And there's also a mini one coming in the future as well. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to bring in our bone folder. Now we're going to you can either fold it the short way like this, but we're going to go the long way. And all you need to do is fold it right in half. And this one is going to be a little different. We're going to layer this right on top. I'm going to take this one, make sure I have it the right way, and I'm going to layer it. Now, if I was to cut it or fold it right in the middle, it only leaves a small amount there, but I want to have it so that I have more area to stamp on. Okay, so I just kind of eyeballed it, gave it a little bit of a bend, and then I'm going to fold it down. So next, we're going to do some stamping. We have our Just For You, and if you look real close, you'll see there's a little bit of a notch right there. That's going to go right above that notch in the paper, right there. It'll sit really nice. This one right here, we're going to put at the top, and today we're using the ink Blackberry Bliss. All right, now we're going to take and fill this bag up with a little bit of candy. We're just using our wonderful candy corn mix, the autumn mix. Now, what you can do is you can fold this down just a tad bit. And then we're going to go ahead and put a couple staples. But if you want, you can always embellish it, but I highly recommend just keeping the decorations down to a minimum if you are giving it as a gift for children, because they tend to just rip it open. So if I was you, I would just leave it like that and give it away. Otherwise, you can add a little ribbon on the side here that I did ahead of time, and voila, you can add a couple little gems on there as well if you want. So quick and simple little easy project for you to share with someone. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, we would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll have directions and supplies listed below, and which will direct you over to our blog. We hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks so much for joining us today. Bye-bye.